So that's the flower of a plant with very low substrate. I'm growing this in a very small pot. So it has grown very tall, but the floret and all, that inflorescence is a little bit small only. This one, it is I think it's called boat shaped flowers, not really bearded and all. So if I'm not mistaken, this is at Simpogon, or one of those supposed to be aromatic grass. So that is the flower part. Then it's a tall thing, and then once this particular species, once it is mature, the nutrient content becomes very low and cows don't like to eat it. So in the field I observed, grown up strands of this one only remains, everything else gets eaten off. This one doesn't, the mature ones. So here also hairs are visible. So hairs can be seen there. So hairs are there in the sheath, this leaf sheath. This part. Then further down, here also some hairs can be seen. So hairs are visible there. Then I'm growing actually this with a community of other stuff in a small pot. Pot is only this much height, and then along with this this species, whatever it is, that name I had to confirm. This one, other things what I've grown here is, one is this one, that is one of that cyanotis, that species. Then this is one of the cypress here, that one. Then bunch of things are there actually here. Anyway, it's a bit much to show in this one video. This particular grass. So this is the formation like this. No, I don't see any hairs in this part, this node, this swollen node. So the whole plant, if you see, it is growing like that. In the ground and all, if it is in with more substrate, it will be this flower and all. Oh, two species got this flower and all will be. I think I mixed up two species now. Anyway, one idea is there now. I think this one, that stem linings. That node part, I think it doesn't have a collar and all, this part. So in between I showed one of the eragrostis that had that formation. All this can get very mighty confusing. So people who watch all these videos must have good amount of patience to bear with me, because I am also learning this topic. It's not that I am a botanist or an expert. Far from it. The cobwebs are formed. So this is one of the grass of our Karnataka, wild grass.